Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your Rockstar Games account. So for this what you need to do is go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome option from here. After that you have to go to the Chrome, and then here you will simply go to the rockstargames.com, and then what you need to do is simply come here. Then you have to click on the profile option from the right hand side, then you have to click on the help option, then you have to click on the support option from here. After that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and after that you have to click on the delete account and information. After that it will take again couple of seconds, then it is saying that please wait, and here you can see the page is already getting loaded and it will take some time, and then you have to click on the delete account from here. After that it will take again some time. Here you can see the page is showing the please wait option. Then here if code was gone to my email that I need to collect that one, then what we can do is go to the Google, then you have to search for the email that you would like to take the password that you have given to the Rockstar game. Then you have to click on the Gmail option from here. After that you have to wait couple of seconds from here. Then here you can see the Gmail, already the verification code is here. You have to simply click on it, then you have to choose the password here, I mean the pin code, then you have to paste on it, then you have to click on the submit. And as I see that it's showing again error, what we can do is give the new password. Unfortunately I gave the old password here, so if I give it now, and here you can see it's working now correctly, because I gave the wrong password, wrong pin for the first time. Then you have to choose the reason why you'd like to choose, then something else you can choose there. Then you have to check this information that it is simply saying that you have written all the data, and all the data will remove permanently. Then you have to click on I agree. After that it will take couple of seconds, and here you can see the game account is being processed for deletion. It will take around 30 days, and if the Rockstar Games need any kind of information, then they can simply mail you, and if the process is successful, then you will get the email. Thank you very much for watching this video.